heard shit from them in a minute.
Rich boy definitely done.
Yeah. Throw them D's, man.
Rich gang.
Throw your ass in the trash. That shit is old. Rich gang. We was talking about that Rich gang shit yesterday. They need to come back, man.
You want the Narc?
Nah, he ain't need to come back.
What? The Rich gang?
Birdman fuck them niggas up, man.
Yeah, that Birdman fault though.
Fucking them niggas. Yeah, fucking them niggas, fucking them up.
He got mad cause Rich Homie Quan ain't want to do another album. He wanted to go work on his own project and then come back. And Birdman got mad about that.
Oh man, well fucking salute the fucking Rich Homie Quan then, cause Birdman be fucking people over.
True. Shit, the way his shit flew down after
that's like Blueface.
He might as well have went and did another project.
Shout out to Blueface too. Y'all fuck with Blueface? How y'all feel about Blueface?
I man Jit for doing his thing, because he definitely doing his thing.
And he was wrong on that field. That nigga could have went to the league, dog.
I haven't even seen the highlights, bro. Don't tell me. I want to see it.
I don't fuck with the music, though, personally.
Yeah, me personally.
You don't fuck with it?
Nah,
okay.
Do
you fuck with it? You don't fuck okay.
In the club, though, it's all good.
In the club, of course.
But I man Jit for doing his thing.
Yeah, that's exactly. He doing his
Yeah,
thing. Yeah,
okay.
If he got people that he got a fan base, man, hey, shout out to him, dog. That's all you need in the industry is a fan base, dog.
But when you listen to him, like, he literally don't sound like nobody can rap like that.
Yeah, he got his own style.
He got
personally, I don't. That's not my
That's
music.
what I listen to. I listen because his bars. Like he. Like, what's it called? Double entendres and shit like that.
I know he was saying a lot about that in the interview about his bars and shit. Yeah. And people were saying, you know, how he be all beat, but basically he was saying, you know, if I don't say it the way I say it, I can't get the end of the you will miss it. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you gotta do it. And Charlamagne was like, well, do you write the music before you hear the beat? Yeah.
I see that shit.
Charlamagne, dog.
That shit was
I know he wasn't cousin.
Yeah, but I understood where you would come from. Like you say, you know, if he couldn't really say it the way he was saying, you wouldn't get the bar he was trying to say.
That's true. It's true.
So
Sometimes
that's just
you got
that bitch come out.
Hey,
People like it though, so shit. Hey,
I fuck with it.
That's all that matters, man.
Just one more thing I got for in the industry. I think one of y'all said earlier that fucking Gucci blackface shit.
Hey, like Floyd. Hey, like Floyd say.
Y'all buying Gucci?
Hey, like Floyd say. I'm doing what the fuck I
Oh
want to do.
man.
What is it?
I don't even know. Like motherfuckers, half the motherfuckers boycotting Gucci can't afford that shit.
Oh,
man, never even had.
Why is they boycotting Gucci?
I don't know why they. That's how it's
blackface.
It was pull it up, man. Show them the sweater, bro.
I don't even know what the fuck.
It was a sweater.
is.
Look, it was a fucking. It was supposed to be like a ski mask type sweater. Like it pulled up over your face, but it had like big lips like a black person. It was blackface.
It's some like old shit.
Come on, man.
It's just you have to see the old like cartoons and shit and how they used to how white people when they would act like black, because you know how it's always that one like Booby. I don't like to say it like that, but you know what I mean. Guys like him who all the white people like because he like really, he the class clown type. You know what I mean?
And they can they talking by them instead of they ain't laughing.
Exactly.
They ain't laughing with him. They laughing at his ass.
Exactly.
You know
People like that.
Yeah.
And the white people on the old
See,
TV
that's
shows.
blackface right now.
This is
Yeah, see, they would do stuff like that, and they would act. They say they
would
act
act
like black people,
Yeah.
but they really acting goofy, being a clown,
like a monkey and shit.
the whole time.
That's what I call
So
it.
now you see the point of the ski man.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
That's like the motherfuckers.
They even made little keychains, bro, like little
little
keychains with
monkey.
the little monkey head, with the
monkey
red
with
lips
the
and
big lip.
shit.
Show them keychain too, bro.
They trying to get y'all from the stop buying that shit. That's what they want.
Keychain.
I'm trying to tell you.
Goddamn, they trying to get you to stop buying that shit.
That's the keychain, bro.
Oh hell nah.
Come on.
Yeah, that's crossing the line right there,
Come on, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See,
So what,
Floyd
you
probably
rocking
never
Gucci?
seen all that shit though. Floyd
So like I just said, I ain't even know what I couldn't even say.
Floyd
Yeah,
Jr.,
I
you still rocking Gucci?
I'm just saying it's more important thing in life though. Yeah, that's what Floyd said. Shit, I got money. I can do what the fuck I ain't give a fuck about.
And you know, true good shit. If I go in the
feel
store
on that.
and I see a Gucci shirt that's still clean, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
I ain't
ain't
thinking about
that.
that. I'm gonna get that bitch. Fuck it. You know what I mean? I ain't
But
gonna
teach
buy
the
no
wrong
blackface.
though. I ain't buying no blackface. That's bullshit right there. You ain't catch me in no shit like that now. But I got to have me a Gucci belt, dog.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? It's a must.
They don't gonna talk shit while I'm buying it.
You know what I'm saying?
But you know, maybe niggas should just.
But that is
that
shit
shit to
to
make them mad.
Yeah,
that's fucked up.
That's too far.
Rock
You know, it's been a couple companies like Timberland, the boots.
Okay,
No, man, don't tell me about Tim. Don't make me cut off Tim.
You know how when you buy the brand new Timbs, they had a little rope on the side hanging? It's a noose.
In the tree.
In the tree, the logo is
the
hanging.
Oh,
You-
man.
What?
Yeah.
I never buy another pair of Tim in my life, dog.
Come
No
on,
bullshit,
bro.
Man. Yeah, that's the goddamn tree, Toro. And that's the damn news. You got on Tim's right now.
Let me see. You got
You got on Tim's? I ain't got the news, but back on the tree. You got some fucking hanging niggas, man.
Oh my God.
Nigga, the rope right there.
Damn.
You know how when you buy the new Timbs, they had like.
Yeah, I know. I know exactly what
That's
you're talking
exactly
about.
how the top of the noose.
Yeah,
It's like a
you
noose.
absolutely right, dog. Because
Timberland, bro.
think about taking that bitch loose when you take it off. It's tied just like a
In the
noose.
goddamn hanging tree.
Oh man,
Them bitches. They
Yeah,
were
man.
smooth.
They did the fuck out of that shit.
It's another company though. Tommy Hilfiger.
Oh, we know. I know.
We know.
Have you heard about him?
Yeah,
I ain't heard about Tommy.
I heard about him.
He bought his punk ass out and took the Tommy off. That's why most of the shit you see now just heel figure.
That's what I'm about to say. It's in Macy's and shit now.
Yeah.
Straight heel figure.
Yeah,
So explain to me about that Tommy. I ain't heard that one though.
Tommy Hilfiger
He been
himself.
said it though.
He
like,
said
back
straight
in the
up.
day.
He said if he knew black people was wearing his clothes, he wouldn't have started designing in the first place.
Who said that?
And then big ass quarters goddamn crowd would walk around with heel figure on, Tommy heel figure.
Listen, look.
He must have, he don't even realize.
I
the reason why he is big.
I like
as he is
Tommy
right now.
Hilfiger clothes, but man, like, I can't really get mad at him, bro, because that was real as fuck. That was a real answer, but that's racist as fuck too.
Hey,
Right.
goddamn.
But he being dead
Most
honest.
people won't even say that no shit like that.
Like,
They
me,
feel
He probably
like
didn't, he
feel
probably
like
didn't
that,
know
but he
black
said
people was
that.
wearing his shit.
Like the Migos with Versace, the Versace company was not fucking with that song. They were trying to get the song. They was trying to get the song on the runway at one of their shows, and he was like, "Hell no, I ain't having this shit on there. What the fuck?" But then now 2 Chainz got a collab shoot with Versace.
Well, shit, you see they what was it? Who was it? Louis Vuitton or something like that. They ain't want Kanye to motherfucking design for them.
Yeah, but now they got some other
I
black
wouldn't
niggas.
Yeah, he got a
design.
black
You
too.
got ugly ass shit. You don't want Kanye
Hell no, I wouldn't have let him either. But goddamn, they told the man the truth.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
not trying
They
to
just
tell
didn't
you.
want Kanye because he a shit talking ass nigga. They ain't want nothing. He say to make them look bad. Probably.
Exactly. That's
Kanye gonna tell you like it is.
Exactly. That's all it is.
Nigga, what is you
I
watching?
designed my shit
Who
better
watches
than
them?
they did.
Yeah,
And
niggas
they
say
didn't
that.
put my shit. He
What
never
the fuck is you
wrong.
doing?
Snapchat.
This nigga watching shit.
Snapchat.
Okay, look.
Michigan, Florida.
We're gonna get into our next and last segment. These niggas.
I'm listening, man. Let's move on.
Anyways, we're gonna get into our last segment. Simply put, random shit. Random shit. Have y'all heard or seen any random shit this week? Crazy shit, stupid shit, funny shit. I got some shit. I'm gonna write down random shit. What the hell y'all doing? Wait, what did you say, Turbo? You was gonna say something? You was gonna say something?
Oh, it was something on that topic, and I can't even think of the shit, man. Oh, goddamn, how motherfucking a lot of niggas love Elvis, bitch ass, and and Gates got the nigga tatted on him and shit.
Elvis
But
dead,
goddamn,
man. Rest in
Elvis
peace,
said out
Elvis.
his mouth in an interview on live TV that niggas can't do nothing but buy his records and shine his shoes.
Who said that?
Elvis.
He said that shit?
Yeah.
Hey, man.
And he stole Jailhouse Rock. That ain't even his shit.
I didn't know that. I did know that. And he stole his dance moves and shit too. I heard that too.
Yo, he wasn't doing that shit. Them niggas got Elvis doing all that shit, man.
Yeah.
He wasn't moving like that.
White people don't even got rhythm. Hey, it is what it is. That's a fact right now.
All the white people I see don't got no rhythm.
Yeah, 'cause white people don't got rhythm. Period. it ain't nothing to them. They just ain't got no goddamn rhythm.
Now that white boy from the
white
dancing
girls that
movie,
know how to dance,
white boy that
look right.
They don't even look. It just don't. Yeah, even if they know, it don't even look right.
That white boy that dance.
Yeah. Even see some white boys that can dance, I guess so, but they still look weird doing it. They still ain't do it the right way.
They ain't got no swag to that bitch. That's the bottom line to it. You feel me? We got
Okay, so look,
a nigga who could dance, man, one of the best dancers I ever seen personally.
I still can't believe you got Timberlands on, bro. I can't even look down at you no more, bro.
That's just like when you see a 3-point shooting
still
white
with these
dude.
bitches the word, I tell you that.
Might as
Curry
well.
look clean when he do it.
Yeah.
Some.
They don't do shit the right way.
My last segment, random shit.
Okay, random shit, right? So today we had well, first before I say this, let me say this, right? Most of the people that work at where I work at is black people. Okay. You know what I mean? And then we got a few Puerto Ricans and shit like that. And maybe like 2 white dudes, but they barely even be there. Okay. So
usual.
So nah, they got other jobs. I can say that shit. One of them a firefighter, the other one a police officer.
Okay,
so you know they just fill in when they can. Okay. But okay, so the dude, he asked me today, my boss, he asked me today, right? So we all sitting there talking and washing the trucks and shit. So he asked me, he was like, so why do in most predominantly black neighborhoods, black people kill each other instead of going across town and killing the white people? Or something like that. So,
it's a good question.
Yeah, it is a good question. And like I told him, it's because like in most places, and if you go look on the map in South Florida and shit, or South Beach mostly, right? Motherfucking, they got these people boxed in poverty. So you ain't got nothing. The man next to you ain't got nothing, and the bitch that do get something, hey, you got to go get it because you ain't got nothing.
Exactly. That's true though. That's true.
And then I turn around and ask him, why do most police run around killing mostly black people now?
It's a
just like they killed that rapper that was sleeping in the car and drunk.
Oh wait. We gonna say that for another topic though. We gonna say that for another topic. We can't go too much in on that.
I heard about that.
We gonna hear that from that.
But yeah, it was okay. It was we had a real ass conversation. It wasn't no filtering and none of that shit. You know, we had a real ass conversation, and it was cool though because he was actually raised by 2 black women.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But he don't act black or he don't talk black or nothing. He married to a white woman. He got a white family. Okay. But his mama was sick most of his life. His daddy raised him, but his daddy worked all the time, and they had 2 black maids, and that's who raised him. So shit like that. He always mentioned that, you know, he was raised by 2 black women before he say that he had 2 maids and shit like that. Great life.
He got a plantation in the front yard too?
Nah, but actually, it was back in the day when he was a child. He like 60 now. So the maid mama was actually a slave
on the
at
plantation
one point. Yeah. So they grew up basically in the houses and shit, doing maid work and shit. So that's what they did. And he say one day they set the table and everything. His daddy happened to be home on time and everything like that, and say that he looked around at the table and he ain't see no plates for them. So he asked the maid or whatever why they ain't, you know, where they plates at. They say the maid lady was like, no, Mr. Yeager, we can't eat with y'all. We not allowed to eat with y'all. Yeah. Or whatever. And he told her, well, if you can't eat with me, you fix my food. If you can't eat with me, then go home. I mean, they good white people, but, you know. Yeah. We just had a real ass conversation about black and white.
I feel that, though. You know, but like I said, I feel like what you said with going across town killing white people, it's an intimidation factor both ways. Like, shit, when we think white people, we think police off risk.
Exactly.
Black people feel like they can get away. If they gonna kill somebody, you be better. They ain't gonna kill about a nigga getting killed. Right. You know what I'm saying? You gonna kill a white person, you know you going up the road. Exactly.
Right. And that's what I told him. I said, well, they know in the hood, you know what I mean? Basically, you born like, you know what I mean? in aggression and shit like that. So it's different. But if you go cross town and kill up some white people, bitch, you know them crackers coming and you going down, they gonna slaughter you.
And then again, you go cross town and kill some innocent people who ain't got shit to do with what you got going on.
Exactly.
Most of the time, the killing happens
exactly.
from bullshit that's going on in that area.
Yeah, oh, my fault.
Hey, you can't call them crackers.